Pre-listing home inspections are an important component in the real estate transaction, but are often overlooked by home sellers. If done properly, the pre-listing home inspection allows sellers to gain a clear understanding of the status of their property. They can fix any issues before putting the home on the market or properly set the asking price. Real estate professionals often suggest sellers do a pre-listing home inspection to aid in the efficiency of the transaction process and reduce surprises that may arise from the inspection. Here are a few key benefits that will help you when listing your home for sale. A pre-listing home inspection will provide sellers a clear understanding of any issues that there are in the home. The inspector will provide the sellers a list of issues they can both address and fix prior to placing the home on the market, or lay out the issues to potential buyers up front. This will result in saving the seller both time and money. Pre-listing home inspections generally cost the same as a standard home inspection. The inspection can provide immense value. Instead of having only a few days to fix problems after a buyer's home inspection, the pre-listing inspection will alert the sellers of any issues before the home is put on the market. This provides the sellers plenty of time to compare costs of repairs and negotiate prices without having a time constraint. By providing a full disclosure up front, along with any repairs that were made, buyers will have acknowledged the existing condition of the home. This reduces the risk of buyers from coming back to ask the sellers for any money off of the sales price. Now, transparency is the key in any home selling process. Having a pre-listing home inspection aids the disclosures to the potential buyers and will earn the sellers a higher level of trust. Having the information readily available will make the home more attractive to buyers and benefit the sellers by getting their home sold quickly. Remember, the goal of a home inspection is to provide a true reflection of any issues concerning the home and offer guidance in solving the issues. Leveraging the knowledge and experience of professionals to ensure important issues aren't missed, reports are received in a timely fashion, and sellers are able to move the home efficiently through the real estate transaction. I hope these tips will help you out when listing your home for sale. I'm Aaron Morton with the Aerosol team, and we can be reached on all social media platforms or at our office at 931-245-7435. I look forward to hearing from you soon.